Hello students, today I'll start a new chapter. The chapter name is heat. So first we have to know the definition of heat. Heat is a form of energy which we can feel but cannot see. So heat is also one kind of energy which we can feel but we cannot see. Now what do you mean by temperature? Temperature is a quantity which tells us the degree of hotness or coldness. So degree of hotness or coldness of a body. So means from the temperature we can understand what is the amount of heat the body contains or the hotness or coldness of a body. Now when a body is heated, its temperature rises, and when it is cooled, its temperature falls. So this is the main thing. So when temperature will increase, so then the body will become hotter, and when it is cooled, then the temperature falls. Now unit of heat and temperature. So SI unit of heat, what is the SI unit? That is joule. Very important, this one. SI unit of heat is joule. Other common unit of heat are calorie and kilocalorie. So which are the other common unit? That is calorie and kilocalorie. Now what is the relation between kilocalorie and calorie? One kilocalorie, that is equals to 1000 calorie. 1 kilocalorie, that is equals to 1000 calorie, and 1 calorie, that is equals to 4.2 joule. So what is the relation between calorie and joules? That is 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joules. Now what is the unit of temperature? Temperature is measured in unit degree Celsius. So what is the unit? This is degree Celsius. In short form we can write degree Celsius. That means degree Celsius. In this way we can write. Another unit of temperature is Fahrenheit. This is also an important unit of temperature, which is written as degree Fahrenheit. This is the symbol. So what is the symbol of degree Celsius? That is degree C. What is the symbol of Fahrenheit? Degree F. Now what is the SI unit of temperature? SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Very important. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Now you have to note one thing. For unit Kelvin, symbol is not written as degree Kelvin. That means if I'll tell you 70 Kelvin, so you cannot write 70 degree K. This is not the way to write. So in which way you have to write? Simply you have to write 70 Kelvin, 70 K. Do not write degree. If you write, then it is wrong. So 70 K, in this way you have to express. So if you want to express 50 Kelvin, so 50 K simply write. Okay. So this thing you have to know. Okay boys, next video I'll tell something about temperature and heat. Thank you.